dancing in the kitchen.
Hi guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
Welcome back to
Dancing in the Kitchen.
So this month we are talking about overcoming obstacles to healthy eating, because if you want to support your mood and mental health, you got to be able to make it happen, and sometimes there are things that can get in the way. So the two main things that tend to get in the way are time and money.
For sure.
And what we're focusing on in this episode is more of the time constraint. And one of the ways that we overcome kind of not having enough time to put together the healthy meals is getting more bang for your buck.
Right.
2 meals when you cook just once.
Yes. And just planning overall, right?
Yeah, because then you don't have to do as much planning if you're not having a different thing for every single meal.
Correct.
Yeah, so the food and the meal that we're going to be focusing on today centers around salmon.
My favorite.
So we're going to be making a citrus honey salmon, which is delish.
Yum.
And we're going to be serving it as a dinner with the first preparation. It'll come with some black rice and some steamed broccoli. And then we're going to show you how to serve it up as a salad the next day for lunch. Take that salmon that's left over, toss it into a salad, and you've got a healthy, yummy lunch. Yeah.
Perfect.
So the other thing we want to talk about is some of the nutrients that are involved in these recipes that can support your mood and mental health.
Yeah.
We talked previously on an episode about healthy fats and how salmon is a really good source of omega-3s. So what we're going to talk about this time is something else that's in this recipe that is also really supportive and protective for your brain health, flavonoids. Have you heard of flavonoids?
I have, but yeah, go ahead and explain it to me again.
Okay. So I feel like there's all these words out there like flavonoids and antioxidants and phytochemicals that we kind of like hear thrown around.
Right.
But sometimes it's hard to know like specifically what they refer to. So flavonoids are a type of antioxidant, a type of phytochemical that are really protective, and they show up in the colors of fruits and vegetables.
Okay.
And so the ones that we're going to be focusing on today are found both in the oranges and the honey citrus and in the salad, as well as in the blueberries in the salad. And we've got 2 types. So one is called flavones, and that's in the oranges.
Okay.
And then we've got anthocyanins in the blueberries. And there was a study that showed that flavones actually led to a 38% reduction when it came to cognitive impairment.
Wow.
Whereas anthocyanins in blueberries led to a 24% reduction.
Still, both really good. Yeah.
Both really powerful. And I guess I was a little surprised because I kind of thought the blueberries
would trump that, yeah.
Yeah, so it's interesting to see. So we've got both of those things in these recipes and supporting your mood and mental health. I'm also going to drop a link to a study that I came across when I was researching this episode that goes a little bit more in depth in the science if you're interested in that.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and I guess we should talk about the song.
Yeah.
We're going to set all of this preparation to.
What song do we have this week?
This song is Angels Fall.
Ah, nice. Good one.
Yeah, Angels Fall is a really meaningful song to me. It's a song I wrote when I had gone through a really hard time. I had actually just come out of a stint being hospitalized for my mental health. And I had some friends around me that were like there to pick me up and support me. And this song kind of came out of just feeling like the people in our lives can be real angels and help us get through when maybe we don't feel like we have the strength to get through on our own.
Absolutely, love that.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the song as well, and let's get cooking.
Okay, yeah.
Whenever I'm with you, I feel safe, I feel great. I can let my guard down, I don't have to be brave. I can take what comes my way, 'cause I've got your strength. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The extremes don't feel so unbearably real. When I'm by your side, it's a feel-good ride. You take the wheel when I can't drive. I relax, give in and cry. I'll get clean, I'll be alright. I lean on your arm, thinking heaven, 'cause you know I've been down so long. Even angels The scenery changes all the time. We travel together and watch the views go by. Take a little rest when we rise and shine. Everything is gonna be just fine.
We're back. We hope you enjoyed our salmon variations, dinner, and our salad. Like and subscribe.
Please. Below.
If you do. And likewise, look for our merch. We've got
so
all the details.
excited.
So excited.
Yeah.
And you can wear Dancing in the Kitchen, tell all your friends about this awesome show that's helping you learn the science behind nutrition and supporting your mood and mental health. And make sure you check out our other episodes for that as well.
Please.
Yeah, we've got lots of other episodes that'll tell you about all the nutrients that can support your brain, support your mood and mental health, and all the foods and delicious recipes that you can use to get those nutrients in.
Yeah.
All right. We will see you next time here on Dancing in the Kitchen. Bye.
It's hard to show my light because it shines so bright. There are evil, hungry demons that wanna see it die. Fight it, ignite it, it's worth it to survive.